So I am on an adventure, and you can see I'm in the really pretty quiet streets of Yeonhudong, and this is close to Hongdae, and I love all of these like murals. I'm heading to do a cooking class, and it's a Hansik class. I think we're making kimbap and tteokbokki, but really cool, the class is halal, so I'll share information about it. But if you're looking for a halal cooking class, it's going to be something interesting to check out. I love Hansik, and we're about to start making, we're making two different things. We're making kimbap and tteokbokki. These are halal, so the restaurant actually offers a halal option. So instead of having ham, we have mushrooms and chicken, which I'm really excited to try. We're gonna make, these are the ingredients we'll be using. And hopefully I don't mess it up too bad, but even if I do, it'll be okay. I'm here with Agatha. So we're cooking, it's a really hot day, but we are troopers and we're here, so we can't wait to try it.
Hello! We are making kimbap. I'm going to try.
Okay. It was so much fun. We made tteokbokki and kimbap. We made a halal version, so it was a little bit different than usual kimbap you might get, but it was so tasty. Even mine was not so pretty, but it was still delicious. That's all that matters, and it was really fun. So I highly recommend it. I'll show you.